going to share with you a concept, and the goal is to help you get out of your mind and to just increase confidence, and also to help you to become more balanced, especially when there's a lot going on externally. So what it is you are not your thoughts. So it's really easy to become attached and identify with what you're thinking and what your thoughts are. And I've done it before, and it causes quite a few challenges mentally, mindset, externally and internally. So we have around about 50,000 more or less thoughts per day, and around 95% of your thoughts, what's going around in your mind, is subconscious, and 5% is conscious. So it's really easy to identify with your thoughts and think that you are your thoughts, when in fact you are not your thoughts. So the idea is to zoom out and be the observer of your thoughts. And it's definitely easier said than done. And I practice daily meditation, and I've increased my meditation from 9 minutes every single morning to 30 minutes because lots has been going on. I'm finding that I'm being a bit more influenced by external events, which is understandable because of what's happening and what's being absorbed into my thoughts. Because we can think, another idea is we can think of our minds as antennas and our brains as this mechanism, as this tool that absorbs data, information, energy, vibrations from externally. And so the key message today is you are not your thoughts. So if you start to become too ingrained, too attached to what you're thinking, lots of thoughts, it can cause anxiety and depression as well. So an idea and a suggestion, a recommendation is to meditate even 30 seconds in the shower, even when you get up in the morning. Close your eyes, just focus on your 3 breaths in and out, and that'll help to reset you.